It begins in silence. No explosion, no warning siren echoing across the vacuum. Just a phantom gravitational tug. Rogue black holes are the ghosts of the galaxy, remnants of dead supergiants wandering the interstellar void. If one were to approach our solar system, we wouldn't see it directly. We would see the universe bending around it. Light from distant galaxies would smear into Einstein rings. The first sign of our demise would be a subtle anomaly in the orbits of Sedna and the dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt, dancing to the tune of an invisible master. An object perhaps 10 times the mass of our sun, yet crushed into a sphere no wider than a metropolitan city, is rushing towards us at 1,000,000 miles per hour.
As the intruder crosses the orbit of Neptune, the stability of the solar system shatters. The delicate gravitational balance that has held for 4 billion years is undone in weeks. The gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, are the first to feel the true violence of the tidal forces. We watch as Jupiter, the king of planets, is stripped of its title. The immense gravity of the black hole doesn't just pull the planet, it stretches it. The differential gravity, stronger on the side facing the hole than the far side, elongates Jupiter into an ovoid shape. Its 60-plus moons are flung from their orbits, turning into cosmic shrapnel. Some are ejected into the interstellar void, while others are consumed, adding their mass to the monster's growing hunger.
On Earth, the end does not come instantly. It comes with the realization that the laws of physics have turned against us. As the black hole enters the inner solar system, our orbit around the sun becomes chaotic. We are pulled away from our life-giving star, plunging the planet into a sudden, deep freeze, or perhaps flung perilously close, boiling the oceans. But the temperature is the least of our worries. The tidal forces that ripped Jupiter apart now grip the Earth. The crust buckles. Earthquakes of magnitude 12 or higher, scales never before seen, shatter tectonic plates. Supervolcanoes erupt simultaneously across the globe as the planet is kneaded like dough by the invisible hand of gravity.
This is the final phase, spaghettification. It is a whimsical word for a horrific reality. As Earth crosses the Roche limit, the gravity at our feet becomes significantly stronger than the gravity at our heads. The planet itself is torn asunder. We are no longer a world. We are a stream of atoms. The atmosphere is stripped away first, joining the superheated accretion disk swirling around the event horizon. This disk, formed from the debris of planets and asteroids, spins at a significant fraction of the speed of light, generating friction that heats the matter to millions of degrees. Before any human could cross the event horizon, the blasts of X-rays and gamma rays from this disk would sterilize any remaining biology. We become fuel for the void.
The final course of this cosmic meal is the sun itself. But even a star cannot stand against a black hole. The sun is unraveled, its plasma drained to feed the accretion disk, creating a quasar-like beacon that shines brightly for a brief cosmic moment before the fuel is exhausted. And then, darkness. The black hole, having consumed or ejected everything in its path, carries on its journey through the galaxy. It leaves behind nothing but a gravitational wake and the silence of a system that once hosted life. This simulation reminds us of our fragility. We live on a raft in a violent ocean, safe only because the waters remain calm. But in the vastness of time, the monsters eventually swim by.